Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rajput Family Vlogs. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most exciting new AI technology out there. Something called Google Nano Banana. You might have seen people talking about it online, making those cool 3D figure in style images or transforming photos in magical way. So guys, in today's video, I will explain what Nano Banana really is, how it works and why it is causing such a buzz. So by the end, you will have a clear idea of how this technology can turn ordinary pictures into something extraordinary, and maybe you will be try it yourself. So let's get started. First of all, I will tell you about what is Google Nano Banana actually is. So guys, Nano Banana is the popular nickname for Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image model, a powerful AI image generation and editing system. It enables users to not only generate images from text prompt but also refine, remix, and edit existing images, or also combine multiple images using natural languages instructions. One standard feature is character consistency. That means if you have a person or subject in multiple edits or transformations, the model works to keep them looking recognizable across all those edits. So the model also include watermarking, both visible in the app and invisible beacon style text called Signed ID to mark outputs as AI generated or edited. Now it's a time of talk about history and launch origins. Google first started hinting at this model earlier in 2025 under development by DeepMind. It appeared in testing phases including on evaluation platforms like LM Arena, where it was known as by code name Nano Banana before Google publicly confirmed it. Its public release was on August 26, 2025, when Google officially launched Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. At launch, it was made available through various channels: the Gemini app for everyday users, Google AI Studio, the Gemini API, and enterprise system via Vertex AI. The name Nano Banana started as a code name or placeholder but quickly stuck, largely because people on social media and testing platforms called it that, so Google ended up embracing the name in common use. Where it fits in Google's Gemini AI ecosystem, Gemini is Google's umbrella for its advanced AI system, especially it is multimodal, that is models that can work with more than one type of input like text plus image. Nano Banana Gemini 2.5 Flash Image is one of the newer model. In this Gemini family, focus specifically on image generation plus editing. It is integrated in several Google AI platforms. The Gemini app for regular uses, Google AI Studio for building prototypes, creative tools, the Gemini API for developers, and Vertex AI for enterprise scale. The model leverages Gemini's world knowledge, meaning it has awareness of real world contexts, objects, scenes, and how they relate, which helps make edits more realistic and semantically meaningful. For example, asking to place a desk lamp on a wooden table in a room with morning light leads to more believable lighting, perspective, and context. Also, earlier Gemini image model focused more on generation with lower fidelity or longer wait times. Nano Banana is positioned to deliver higher image quality, better control over edits. Also, faster feedback and more creative flexibility. It reflects Google's answer to demand from users who wanted a stronger editing control, better consistency, and more robust prompt driven tools. Now we will discuss few core features and capabilities. Here are the main things Nano Banana can do. What make it stand out? Multi-image fusion or blending. You can supply more than one image and ask the model to combine them into seamless visual. So guys, let's take an example to understand more clearly. Putting your pet in a coherent background or blending style from one image with subject from another. Character consistency. If there is a person or subject, Nano Banana tries to keep their facial features, proportions, style consistent across edits. So if you edit a photo, then change the background or outfit, the subject should still look like themselves. From base targeted edits and local edits, you can say things like remove the stain on the shirt, blur the background, make the dog wear a red bow. Also add more shadows, etc. It will try to do them while leaving the rest of the image intact. Now we will discuss word knowledge and semantic understanding because it's a part of Gemini. It uses knowledge about how the world looks, lighting, objects, spatial layout to make more realistic edits. Multi-turn editing. You don't need to get everything perfect in the first prompt. You can refine, ask for adjustment, keep the subject consistent while making further edits. Platforms and accessibility. Because it is available via app, API, enterprise tools, Google make the model usable both by casual users and professional or businesses. The pricing model is token based so developers can scale with it. Now we will talk about few limitations, challenges and issues to watch. Even though Nano Banana is very powerful, there are some limitations and caveats you should mention so expectations are realistic. Resolution and output quality limitations. The maximum output resolution in some contexts is not sufficient for large format print or very high quality work in some platforms, especially mobile or consumer apps. Resolution output may be lower or constrained. Language or prompt accuracy. While it works very well in English and some other major languages, accuracy is lower or less consistent. With very less common languages or more complex prompt, also rendering of text inside images if you want to include signs words can be inconsistent. Usage limit or cost. For free users, there might be daily costs, lower resolutions, or favor features. For developers, enterprise cost per image or per output tokens adds up. There is also latency depending on server load. Now it's time of concise the topic. So final thoughts are here. Google Nano Banana is the code name for Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, Google's new state of the art AI model for image generation and editing. In house people or object look, it is integrated into the Gemini app, Google AI Studio, or developer tools. It's a big step forward in making advanced image editing accessible to everyone. But like all AI tools, it has limitations that include artifacts, prompt sensitivity, resolution limits, etc. Thanks a lot for tuning in, everyone. If you enjoy this, please subscribe to Rajput Family Vlogs, give this video a thumbs up and hit the bell icon. so you don't miss our next tech deep dives. Take care and see you soon. Goodbye.